Welcome guys to another video with Shakima, your girl Shakima at home. And today, this morning, actually I wake up and I was thinking about 2020 because I was like, oh my god, today is the 17th of December already. And why I know today is the 17th of December is because I have my wonderful, beautiful, good heart, peaceful, kind, loving, caring sister who born on this day. So I wake up this morning and I say, oh my God, it's 8 more days left before it's Christmas. And once you see the 25th that's it for the year. Because the other rest of days are going to go like floop. They're going to finish so fast. So I was thinking and I was saying, okay, 2020, despite the pandemic and what going on in the world, our new life of wearing masks everywhere we go, of keeping our social distancing. Like we can't normally in St. Martin's when we greet somebody, we always like kiss, like mwah, mwah, mwah. We always kiss to greet. And we cannot do that anymore because everybody like it's COVID-19, now it's Corona, so nobody doing that greeting no more. That is finished. And who to tell this would happen in 2020? Like the world, the entire world will turn upside down. The entire world will go on a lockdown. The entire world will be so afraid, have that fear in them, like, okay, if I go up to this person, wonder if this person have a corona, if I will catch it, if I will bring it to my father, or will I cope with it? Suppose my immune system cannot fight the disease, suppose I die, you know, all of that playing in your mind. And I say, look at that. In 2019, at the end of the year, everybody was so happy, like we was ready to face 2020, to go head on with 2020. And we sit down, some of us, we sit down, we take a paper and a pen, we make plans. This is what we're going to do in 2020. Some people are going to build house, some people are going to start their business, some people are going to have new job, some people are going to make babies. It's everything. You just sit down and you planned it out, like what you want to achieve in 2020. But oh my God, we did not plan for COVID. We did not plan for Corona. No, we did not plan that, because we never know this would happen in the world for 2020. You know, before you will hear certain place in the world have certain disease, certain sickness, and you say, oh my God, thank God I'm in the Caribbean, and I don't think that will come in the Caribbean. But just look at God work. Look at nature. Look at the entire world shut down, go on a lockdown. People have this fear building inside them. And I thinking and I say, despite that, what really I achieve in 2020, because it almost finished. We don't know what 2021 is going to bring. Same like how we didn't know what 2020 bringing. We don't know what 2021 going to bring. We just have to hope and pray for the best and live good. Try to be healthy, try to build our immune system, try to take our vitamin, try to spend time more with our family, try to tell our loved one each and every day how much we love them and how much we care for them, because we don't know the next minute, the next second, the next hour. We don't know. And for me, for 2020, I achieved some good. I can't say I did not achieve anything, because if I say that, God will take away my blessing, and I don't want God to ever take away my blessing. When 2020 start, I was ready for it. Me myself, I made that list too. But because of COVID-19, everything changed. But COVID-19, or would you say Corona, teach us a lot. It take a lot of us out of our comfort zone, out of our relaxation. We was in a relaxation mood. Corona come and it take us out of it. Because some people lose their job, some people achieve a bigger job, some people start their own business, some people lose their business, some people buy house, some people cannot find their rent. It's a lot. The list goes on and on and on. But if it wasn't for COVID and for this shutdown, the world shut down, I will never do YouTube. I will never do Facebook Live. No, I would say no, that's not for me. But because of COVID, Corona, it take me out of my comfort zone. I was home. I was bored. My son, my big son Sean, he was already doing YouTube. And he loved it and he was enjoying it. And one day he said, Mommy, make a video for me to put on my YouTube channel. So I said, what video you want me to make? He said, can you make Johnny cake? I said, okay, no problem, because I home and I don't have nothing to do. So, you know, why not do it with your kids? So I put all my ingredients and I start to talk and, you know, do my Johnny cake dough and everything, showing them how to make Caribbean Johnny cake. And oh my God, I fall in love with it. That first video pushed me the next day to a next video, and the odd next day to a next video, to a next video, to a next video. And I fall in love with YouTube, and I fall in love with Facebook, and I fall in love with all the people who support me. And on my YouTube, it take a little time to grow, but I'm not worrying about it. But the Facebook, I see like my Facebook page, it growing, and I thank God for that. I see people from all over the world come out on a Sunday afternoon to watch me and my daughter do live cooking. And you know, you can feel the love, because when you go in the comment section and when people come send you a comment, or when they send you a message in Messenger, or when they take up the phone to call you to ask you how did you do that again, and you know, and you reply back to them, you feel a joy, you feel a peace within you, and like, oh my God, yes, I doing something that I love. I love to cook, and I like to show people like what I can do, because a lot of people, they don't know like I could do all this. And because of COVID, a lot of people like recognize, okay, Shakima can do this, Shakima can do that, and I feel good, and I have to give thanks and praise to God for that. And I still have to give God thanks and praise for 2020. Because of 2020, I'm sitting down here tonight with my family, enjoying the little bit left in this here with them, and giving God thanks. And who could have done that but God, right? Very good, Shakima. Only God could have done that. A lot of people try to be my friend, to get close to me, but I will leave that for another time. But I'm grateful and I'm thankful for 2020, because 2020 teach me a lot. 2020 teach me to work hard, to push hard, to go for what I want in life, to achieve my goals, to be with my spend time with my family more. It teach me to forgive. It teach me a lot, and it bring a lot into my life, and it bring a lot of new faces and new people in my life, which I'm grateful for. I'm really, really, really grateful and appreciate like each and every one. And right now inside my house smell like Christmas. As you can see, my Christmas tree blinking, and I just take out a pumpkin pie from the oven, and inside the house is just smelling of cinnamon, nutmeg, pumpkin, clove, all the spices you can think of, the warmness. And I know, yes, Christmas is right around the corner. So tonight, I just want to tell you, 2020 is not finished as yet. We still have a couple more days live inside it. So if you have something that you love, that you really want to do, that you want to achieve, get up tonight or today, wherever you might be in this world. Get up, make a step, take a step. Don't leave 2020 pass and you don't do what you say you will do. Forget about the pandemic. Forget about what's going on in the world for just a second, and think about what you want to achieve and what you want to move forward with. And believe you me, you will be smiling. You'll be smiling just like me. You'll be smiling in everything you do. Give God thanks. Give God praise. There's nothing that happened in this life, on this earth, that God doesn't give the okay for. If God does not give the okay, it can never happen. God have the last say in everything. Bless up all on yourself. Bless up on yourself. Love you guys to death. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate the new people in my life. I appreciate my family more. I spend time with my family more. I think by now my family is supposed to be tired of me calling, texting and everything. Because 2020 teach me that. In everything you do, put God first. In everything you do, put God first. I know sometimes we may forget like God is there, but believe you me, He watching us. Every move we make, every step we take, He's watching us. Be careful what you do in this life. Be careful. Love yourself. Love God. Love your family. Love your enemies. Just give love. And it's Christmas. Come on, guys. It's Christmas. Can't you feel it? Can't you walk outside by the door, open the door, and feel that breeze hitting your face? Even though you're in the Caribbean, can't you feel that Christmas? Enjoy it while it lasts. It could be our last Christmas. Enjoy it. And I'm out, guys. Bye. I love you so much. Mwah, mwah. Bye, guys.